then you're gonna get a point off not showing work. Okay, so if you get it right, yay, but if you get it wrong, it's gonna cost you. Okay? All right, anybody else? Okay. All right, last type of problem we're gonna look at today. There are 785 students in the senior class. If there are 77 more females in the class than males, how many male and female seniors are there in the class? Okay, so now with that being said, first off, what are we looking for here? What are we looking for?
Males.
Yeah, okay, so let's start with, I'm going to put M and F, male and female. Okay, it keeps it easy that way, okay? So M equals, we're looking for number of males. I'll just put males, tell me what we're looking for. And then number of females.
Can I just put number of females, please?
That's fine. Okay, again, periods, commas, and ands break up things, usually. Okay, so if I have 785 students in the senior class, period. How are we going to write an equation out of that?
M plus F equals 2 or 785.
Very good. All right, so male plus female give you a total of 785. If nothing else, just think about who makes up the 785. The males and females do. So you got to add them up to get a total. Okay? All right, now this second part here, this is a little more tricky. It says there are 77 more females than males. Okay? Now, this is a subtraction problem. We're going to subtract the two groups and we end up with 77 extras. Does that make sense? Okay, so the problem is, up here when we were doing the plus part, male plus female, it doesn't matter if I flip them or not, right? Because order's not important in addition. Okay? But on subtraction, it's very important. 5 minus 10 is not the same thing as 10 minus 5. You can't just flip-flop them and get the same answer. Does that make sense? Okay? So when we're setting up a subtraction problem, we need to put the most out front. So who has the most people in their group in this case? Okay, there are more females. So I am going to take females minus the males, and it gives me 77 extras. Does that make sense? Okay, now with that being said, this is set up for elimination almost. What's the problem?
Here's what
Okay, so what did you just say?
The M and F are both
Okay, on which one?
second.
Well, okay. Can I change the order of the subtraction problem?
No. Oh no.
No.
You
Can you
changed
change the order of the addition?
Yeah, but we could flip this real quick, couldn't we?
Yeah.
That would be a quick, easy fix, because addition doesn't matter. We don't care what order as long as we got both the parts. Okay, so what we're going to do, just to make it so that it eliminates quickly, is we're going to go ahead and change this to F plus M. Does that make sense? So if it doesn't line up, see if there's a way to rewrite it to line up. If not, you'll probably have to go to substitution. Okay? So now in this case, what's going to cancel?
M's.
M's. And what do we end up with here?
2F equals.
Okay, what is that?
431.
785 plus 77.
862.
There you go. 862. And now when you divide by 2, Kevin, what do you end up with?
431.
Very good. Okay? All right, so now what are we going to do to find out our males?
Plug it over to.
Does it matter?
No.
No. Okay, so I'm just going to put it in the top right there. So I've got 431 plus males equals 785. Okay, so now subtract out 431, and what do we end up with there?
354.
Very good, 354. Is everybody okay with that? Okay, so still using substitution elimination, just kind of applying it to real life problems now. Okay, last step is to do what? Sentence. So what would be a good sentence here? Guadalupe, what would be a good sentence?
There are 431 females and 354 males.
Good. Very good. So there are 431 females and 354 males in the senior class. All right, does anybody have any questions for me? Okay, flip over on the back. You have 4 problems. You have